Welcome to GetawayGeese. We are Stu and Jane, and with Harry, our Ford custom auto camper, we share our adventures.
Hi, just a quick channel update really. You'll also see that my hair's a bit shorter than normal. I wish I could say it was intentional.
It wasn't my fault.
It wasn't. I decided to shave my own head and I put the wrong guard in and I went zoop like that, and it was too late by then, so the lot had to come off. Just another day in the life of me. As you know, we've finished the Island series. We did our last video the other week when it went out, all about the summary of costs. Yeah,
but we are heading back. We're not quite sure if it'll be once or twice, but
I think it could be several times actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to do the North Coast probably next spring is the plan at the moment anyway, so that's our hope anyway. We've got a couple of few short single trip videos going out at the moment, and a couple of videos around security we've just put out, so you'll see that. We'll follow that up by a big epic adventure that we had at the beginning of the year that we still can't tell you about because it's a surprise. Epic. But it's a different van life.
Yeah, it is different.
It's going to be different, yeah. It's sort of, I wouldn't say it challenged us, but it made us think about things, think about Harry, etc. So that's coming up. And then we're just really getting ready to go into Europe for the first time, mainland Europe, which we haven't been before.
We've run out of countries. We can drive on the left.
So we've just booked the tunnel, so it's now committed. My back's a bit better because this was a postponed visit, so my back's a lot stronger, so I'll be able to walk around now. We've got to go to Amsterdam for family reasons and go and visit our grandson. Our latest one. Our latest grandson, so we're going to go there anyway, but we'll go across into France, and then we're not quite sure what we're doing. We'll probably just drift around a bit, but we'll share those videos with you. And then after that, we'll obviously, as I said, be hopefully back into going to Ireland next year. So that's sort of basically what's coming up.
Oh, I was just going to say that the Europe one's going to test us because the driving, everybody says, oh, you soon get used to it, but we might be the exception. And also we're hoping not to just plan it very much. We're trying to plan less.
Yeah.
The more experienced we're getting.
Oh, the other thing is obviously we go into countries with different languages, not necessarily English, so that'll be interesting. Yeah,
I think in Ireland we just always felt safe because it's close to home, and just the driving conditions, and so this is out of our comfort zone. So
this will challenge us again. So we want to do it because we want to travel around Europe. So we're going to do France, and then maybe in the future we'll go in further and further south and deeper into Europe. That's what we really want to do. So I just really want to thank all you for supporting the channel really and subscribing, because it's grown really strongly in the last 12-18 months. And we, one of the reasons we do it is for you guys as well. So we love all the feedback and the comments and that. So thank you very much.
Different kind of life.